Record more.
Gosh.
Ang ano mo? Alcohol?
Alcohol, yan yung pink. Oh my gosh.
Tama. Para tama yung pagkakalagay. So guys, this is what you call record more. Ito ulit tayo. So let's make it right now. So this is cost 3,530. Ang isa, this is for the hemoglobin. So this is the record more. Record mo. This is the needle. So you have to sanitize your hand. Record mo. You have to sanitize your hand. Let's just make it ano. So, yan. Yan na siya. So, sanitize nyo muna yung hands nyo. Then you have to put the needle.
Sanitize ko din yung ganito ko.
Remove this one. Sorry about the aso. They are so makulit talaga. So, I already remove it. Then I'm gonna put the needle. Yeah. Just the needle. Let me set it. So I inserted the needle already. As you can see, there's a bubble inside. You have to make sure there's no bubble na. Kasi it's not good for ano, yeah. There's no bubble na. Is it? Okay, there's no bubble na. So already remove the bubble. So make sure there's no bubble kasi magkakaroon ng ano yun sa ano niya, tiyan niya. So have to pinch it. No bubble. Okay, no bubble na. So have to pinch it.
Ikaw na mag-pinch.
Pinch it like that. No, sige. Okay na? Patagilid Okay na. 1, 2, 3. You remove your hands a little bit. Yan, ganyan lang. Magaan lang. Yan, para put it little by little. Sige. Maramdaman mo?
Hindi.
Okay. One more. 1, 2, 3. Hinga mo na. Ayan. Dali. Ilang cc to? Usually. Ilang cc yung nandyan? Umawakan. Nahiga ka lang. Umasyawakan.
Saan nagkaroon ng ano? Ng sugat?
Umawakan. Kaya mo lang. Kaya mo lang siya para ma-absorb ng katawan mo.
Bigyan ko kaya ng ano? Ng yellow?
Yellow. May yellow ka dyan?
Oo.
Nalagay mo yung yellow. Patong mo. Yan. So, yun dapat walang bubbles. Yung pininch nyo, pag nalagay nyo na yung needle, you have to remove yung ganun. Para ma-absorb. Gumawa ka, magiging unsanitize yan. Ngayon lang.
Hindi. Kasi baka hindi sanitize to eh.
Ilagay mo alcohol. Di ba hindi, alcohol yan para magano mo. Pwede naman yan kasi plastic naman. Kasi ganun. Para magano yung ano. Pang mag-absorb. Lagi mo. Yan. Yan na kung paano maglagay ng Recordman. So this is 3.5. So you don't make sayang it. You have to put it all. Kasi ano, it's 3.5 and it's only, what do you call this? 0.15 ml. So it's 15 ml, good for 1 week. So make sure na kung in-advise sa inyo ng doctor na you have to make turok-turok the record mo. You have to do it. Because it's so pricey and it's gonna benefit you a lot. Especially your hemoglobin. You see? Ano mawakan? Yung sanitary. Ayun. Okay na. Ayan, kagad.
Wala akong tissue kasi. Gusto na
Ito lang ang tissue.
Wala na. Wawa.